Hey Gerber baby, you want me to tell you a story? I can tell you a story. Sure, I want to hear your story, 'cause you look really different than when I first saw you. I was shipped in a box, and then I came to her house, and she gave me a really soapy bath, and she took out my rusty eyes and gave me new eyeballs and cleaned me up, and I'm like brand new. And what did she do for you? Can you tell me your story? My new owner here, she adopted me and brought me into her home, and she thought she was going to have to clean me, but she just gave me a little sponge bath on my arms and legs and face, and just to freshen me up. I'm like clean. She cleaned my apron just 'cause she wanted to. Over 25 years ago, Miss Cheryl here, my owner. Stop interrupting me. It's my turn to talk. But she didn't have to. She's so nice. I like her. I like living here. I like all her toys. I like you. It's so fun. And she made me out of ceramic. My head is ceramic, and she hand painted my face and feet and hands, and then she had to follow a pattern and make my body. I've got a soft, squishy cloth body, and I have 3 ducklings, and I'm supposed to be the mama duck. Let me tell you, my job isn't very easy watching after my 3 little ones. Okay, well, that's it for now. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Quack, quack.